Alright, geometry, we're going to be doing lesson 10-4, which is perimeters and areas of similar figures. So we're going to be dealing with the ratios of those, the ratios of the perimeters and the ratio of the areas when you have your similar figures. So ratio of perimeter is just A over B. It's just like the basic ratio that we found earlier on in the year. The ratio of the areas would now be A squared over B squared. So if these are my two similar trapezoids, obviously not drawn to scale, but work with me here. Those are your two similar trapezoids. So let's find our regular ratio. Ratio would be, so the ratio of the perimeter would be just 6 over 9, which reduces down to 2/3. So your area, very simple from there, the ratio of the area, you square each of those numbers. 2 squared over 3 squared, 3 squared, so you would get 4/9. That's all it's to it. There's your perimeter, there's your area. Pretty simple. When you get down to problems where they give you the ratios, and they give you the area of one of the triangles, you need to find the area of the smaller triangle. So you're or the whatever this is, the area of whatever this figure is. So if your ratio is 3:4, the area of the large is 96, find the area of the small. So area, again, if this is just your perimeter ratio, your area would be 3 squared over 4 squared equals the small area over the large area. And that's already, sorry, I don't need that squared there. That's already solved for you. So from here, we're going to cross multiply to solve. So we're going to have 16x equals 9 times 96. Divide by 16. Your x is going to equal 54. So that means that the area of the smaller figure is 54 inches squared. So pretty simple. Okay, just cross multiply to solve. You're done. That's all that's to it. This is a very, very easy assignment. Very, very simple assignment to get through. So on number 5, just so we have another example, because this is one that people always ask me, they give you your two figures, again, not drawn to scale. So they give you your two parallelograms. They give you the area of one. You need to find the area of the other. So your ratio is 3/6. So my regular perimeter ratio is just 3/6. Reduce that. So that would be 1/2. Okay, and then you're dealing with area. So you do 1 squared over 2 squared equals the smaller one over the larger one, which we don't know. So cross multiply to solve, and you would get x equals 4 times 24. Well, what's 4 times 24? 96. So that means that the area of that large one is 96 inches squared. Again, very, very simple assignment. Don't try to overthink. Keep it simple. Okay? If you think that it's too easy, you're doing it right. It's one of those type of assignments. Okay, so lesson 10-4, perimeters and areas of similar figures.